It's 5:30 on Monday morning. I'm going straight up to the shed to find out if any of our little intensive care patients have made it through the night. Ah, yes you did. Well done, girl. Good morning from the barn, the lambing shed. Tiny little Minnie looks okay. There you go. Yeah, everyone looks okay. I've got this one over here being treated for some inflammation or weakness and its pain in its joints, unfortunately. So I have to see how that one turns out. Poor baby. I think it's the 28th of April today, and we've got 5 sheep left to lamb. 2 singles lambed yesterday, so that just leaves 1 set of 3, and the rest are twins, hopefully. Hello. Look at your unusual markings. That's it, slip over. This is the field which should be for the triplets. There are some sets of 3, but there's also quite a few 2s because we've lost so many. And this morning, no sunrise, just calm and grey. A little sneak peek at how the building is looking today. Waiting for some paving to go down here now. Hopefully that's going to happen this week. So the ewe is actually really protective of this lamb with the funny joints. But what we've been doing is Nick's been holding her, and then I've been holding the lamb up so that she can have a feed. Is it a she? Is it a ewe?
It's a she, yeah.
It's a she. She doesn't have a name yet, do you? But we're holding out hope that she's going to get better over the next couple of days. She's having some injections for joint ill, and she's also had a selenium dose in case it's a vitamin deficiency. So we shall see. Isn't she an angel? She definitely seems a bit more comfortable on it. Don't you think?
Yeah.
So this little girl with the sore limbs or poorly joints, we don't know. She's got a bit of insulation pipe on her leg to help her walk. A little Miss Minnie V, little Minnie, is growing and doing okay indoors, aren't you, baby? Yeah, your mum's a fuss pot. Wednesday morning twins. Good morning, guys. It's a bit rainy. It's rained quite a bit in the last 24 hours, which is what we needed. That's good.
Well, yes, this is a typical lambing morning. A little bit damp, and one's had twins over there, very good, and just came over to see this ewe. Looked acting a bit strange. The head was out, and I think just one leg. Joe managed to catch it and lamb it, and it's all right.
Thankfully, it's alive.
Yes, well, if it had been another hour on, they get to a stage where they don't make it. So it's a terrifically good lamb. So
It had quite a thick membrane round its
very well
mouth.
pleased.
You all right, baby? Yeah. I think it's going, isn't it? I think it's going, isn't it? Do you want me to, are we going to just leave her to see whether she can push the other one out?
What?
Leave her for the other
Oh
one.
yeah, well, yeah. No, I think I mean, I will just give her a bit.
Oh, I'm awake now. Hey? Hey, well done. Well done.
Yeah, good old mother. Yeah, well done.
So I was half asleep, and then I was summoned to run across the field with my crook, grab a sheep, and then quickly lamb it as fast as possible. So now I'm wide awake and wired. So let's have a little chat about rainfall. Yesterday, up until yesterday when we had quite a bit of rain started, for the month of April, and yesterday was the 28th, we had 9 millimetres of rain up until the 28th of April. Compare that to 308 millimetres of rain in February, and pretty much every other month of the year exceeding 100 millimetres of rain. 9 mil is the driest in years. So I love statistics. So we lambed the first and she's had the second one herself. Which means 3 sheep left to go on Wednesday, 29th of April. Here is a little something I baked earlier, which is a banana bread with a little bit of beetroot in it. So I'm going to have the moment of glory, which is to cut into it. People always turn up when the cake comes out. Just you wait, Dad'll be hot on my heels. Looks good. Oh, it's still a bit warm. You can see the bit of beetroot in there. Do you want some Amaze by Light?
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
Go on then, take it away.
End it.
Take it away.
With my mouth full?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Manners first. It was the most amazing banana bread.
How are you, Dad?
On one.
Why are you looking so happy?
Well, because we had a good start with the triplets. I went through a rough patch and we had a better finish with them, so it's good.
Still got 2 to go.
Not triplets, just 2 twins.
Yeah.
2 doubles.
There's some cake for you.
Oh.
Geese. Geese going mad. Good morning, it is Thursday the 30th of April, and after a lot of rain, or a lot of steady, quite good rain for the land, we had a beautiful evening last night. I went down into my lovely swim spot. You'll have seen a couple of clips of that, I think. And this morning, the sky is pretty clear, and we've got 2 sheep left to lamb, so we've been at it for a month basically. Just 2 to go, 2 sets of twins. These are the last triplets, and thank goodness that they're all alive and kicking, aren't you guys? Well done. Morning, chickies. So in the special care unit, we've got this one. She's had an injection every day for joint ill. Seems to be certainly not getting any worse. I think she's getting stronger, so that's good. And then little Minnie, who was born on Sunday, just very small, but very perfect. You're a good girl.
Just put a straw in that corner, I think.
Cool. Hello. Hello. She's feeling playful.